Evaluate the following limits.
Limit of x plus 1 over x minus 2 as x approaches 2 from the right.
So by the way, since we involve here one-sided limits, pwede nyo muna panoorin yung previous video ko about one-sided limits. Ilink ko na lang sa description para ma-check nyo. So ibig sabihin nito, ano raw yung value ng limit ng x plus 1 over x minus 2 as x approaches 2 from the right? Or values of x approaching 2 close enough sa 2 pero greater than 2. Okay, kasi right hand limit. So, pwede nating i-direct sub muna, then check kung define yung value. So, palitan natin yung mga x ng 2. So, magiging 2 plus 1 over 2 minus 2. That will be 3 over 0. So, this time, we have 3 over 0 which is undefined yan, right? Dun sa mga past videos ko about evaluating limits, ang na-encounter nating value is indeterminate form na 0 over 0. So, ang ginagawa natin is minamanipulate natin yung expression para kapag nire-evaluate dun sa x na ina-approach niya is magiging defined. Kaso, different case tayo ngayon. Over 0 tayo pero yung numerator is constant. So, actually, this will have infinite limits. Either positive infinity or negative infinity kapag yung denominator nyo is nag-a-approach sa 0. So, paano natin malalaman kung positive infinity or negative infinity? So, check natin kung saang side ina-approach ng denominator yung 0, through positive values ba o negative values. So, dahil approaching tayo ng x to 2 from the right, therefore, pag nag-plug in kayo ng value ng 2 dito, let's say 2.1. So, 2.1 minus 2, that's positive 0.1. Ibig sabihin, approaching tayo 0 through positive value. So, lagyan nyo nung sign sa taas ng 0, ibig sabihin, indicates approaching 0 through positive values. So, ngayon, either ang sagot nga dito is positive or negative infinity for sure. Pero anong sign? Plus or minus? So, check nyo yung sign. Applying yung rules for division of integers. So, sa numerator, you have positive 3. So, positive divided by, positive to, di ba? Approaching 0 through positive values. Positive divided by positive is positive. So, therefore, it should be positive infinity.
Number 2, limit ng x plus 2 over x minus 2 as x approaches 2 from the left.
So, pareho lang, binago lang natin yung x approaching 2 from the left naman. So, pag pinlagin natin, magiging 2 plus 1 over 2 minus 2, 3 over 0 din. Pero this time, dahil from the left na tayo, pag nag-assign tayo ng value ng x close enough sa 2, dapat less than. Let's say 1.9, right? So 1.9 minus 2, that will be negative 0.1. Ibig sabihin, approaching 0 na tayo through negative values. Okay? So infinity agad yung sagot dito, pero anong sign? Positive or negative? So check nyo, positive divided by negative, that's negative infinity.
3, limit ng x plus 1 over x minus 2 as x approaches 2.
So, same lang din sa function, right? Pero, naging two-sided limit siya. Wala ka ng plus minus sa 2. So, apply natin yung concept dun sa two-sided limits and din sa past video ko sa one-sided limits na kapag yung right-hand limit at left-hand limit ay hindi magkapareho, therefore, yung two-sided limit dun sa same value ng x na ina-approach will be does not exist. So check nyo, yung right hand limit is positive infinity, yung left hand limit is negative infinity. So magkaiba, right? Therefore, ito will be DNE.
4, limit ng 2x minus 5 over x plus 3 as x approaches negative 3 from the left.
So, try nating i-substitute yung negative 3 sa mga x. So 2 times negative 3 minus 5 over negative 3 plus 3. Sa numerator, we have 2 times negative 3, negative 6 minus 5, negative 11 over, so 0, right? Sa denominator, negative 3 plus 3, 0. Pero saang side nag-a-approach sa 0? Positive or negative? So check nyo, dahil from the left, ibig sabihin, pwede kayo mag-assign ng x close enough sa negative 3 but less than negative 3. So pwedeng negative 3.1, right? So, negative 3.1 plus 3, negative 0.1. So, approaching values ng 0 through negative. Okay? So, therefore, infinity ang sagot. Pero anong sign? Check nyo. Negative divided by negative, positive infinity.
Limit ng t plus 1 over t squared minus 4 as t approaches 2 from the right.
So, pag ginirect sub nyo to, 2 plus 1 over 2 squared minus 4, 3 over 0. Okay? Pero anong sign? So, dahil from the right tayo, pwede kayo mag-assign ng value ng t na 2.1 greater than 2 but close sa 2. So pag pinlaging nyo, 2.1 squared minus 4, positive ang sagot dyan, di ba? So therefore, approaching 0 through positive value. So ang sagot is infinity, pero anong sign? So positive divided by positive, positive. Okay?
6. Limit ng negative t plus 2 over t minus 3 cube as t approaches 2 from the left.
So try nyong i-plug in yung 2. So bale negative 2 plus 2 over 2 minus 2 cube, that will be 0 over 0, indeterminate. So this time, hindi nyo pwedeng makonclude agad na positive infinity or negative infinity. Kailangan alisin nyo muna yung indeterminate form. Okay? So, pwede natin itong i-simplify as, so yung negative t plus 2, pwede kong i-factor yung negative niyan, magiging negative quantity t minus 2, right? Over t minus 2 cube as t approaches 2 from the left. So, pwede yung makancel itong isang t minus 2 sa taas. Itong t minus 2 cube magiging squared na lang. So, magiging limit ng negative 1 over t minus 2 squared na lang as t approaches 2 from the left. Okay? So, plug in ulit natin yung 2. Yung taas, constant lang naman, copy over. So, 2 minus 2 squared, negative 1 over 0. 0 squared or 0, right? So, ayan, pwede na tayong magkaroon ng infinite limits dito. Constant na yung taas, tapos approaching 0 yung denominator. So, check natin kung approaching 0 through positive or negative value. So, since we have t approaching 2 from the left, pwede tayong mag-assign ng value na t closer to but less than 2. Let's say 1.9. So, 1.9 minus 2, negative 0.1. Pero naka-squared siya. Negative yung base, tapos i-square mo, magiging positive. So, therefore, approaching 0 through positive values na to. So, infinity ang sagot, pero anong sign? Yung numerator is negative, divided by denominator positive, that will be negative infinity.
7. Limit ng square root ng 3 plus x squared over x as approaches 0 from the right.
So, direct sub nyo na lang yung 0. So, magiging square root ng 3 plus 0 squared over. So, x lang. So, ibig sabihin, approaching 0 through positive values agad. Or, square root ng 3 plus 0 squared, square root ng 3 over 0 positive. So, infinity ang sagot. Anong sign? Positive yung taas divided by positive yung baba. Positive infinity.
Next, limit ng square root of x squared minus 9 over x minus 3 as x approaches 3 from the right.
Try nyo i-direct sub yung 3. So, magiging square root ng 3 squared minus 9 over 3 minus 3. Square root ng 9 minus 9 or square root ng 0 din yan, right? 0 over 0. Indeterminate. So, ibig sabihin, hindi natin pwedeng makonclude agad na positive or negative infinity. Alisin muna natin yung pagiging indeterminate. Manipulate natin. So, pwede kong i-factor out yung x squared minus 9 sa loob ng square root as x minus 3 times x plus 3 using difference of two squares, right? Over x minus 3 as x approaches 3 from the right. Then, pwede nyong i-split etong dalawang factor sa loob ng square root. Pwedeng square root ng x minus 3 times square root ng x plus 3 over x minus 3 as x approaches 3 from the right. So, notice, pwede nyo itong makombine yung square root ng x minus 3 divided by x minus 3. That will be limit ng square root ng x plus 3, copy lang. So, di ba yung square root ng x minus 3, pwede yung x minus 3 raised to 1/2 divided by x minus 3 raised to the first. So, same base sila, copy nyo, x minus 3, then subtract the exponent. Sa numerator, 1/2 minus denominator 1, that will be negative 1/2 as x approaches 3 from the right. Or pwedeng bumaba yung x minus 3 to the negative 1/2 sa denominator. So, magiging limit ng square root of x plus 3 over square root ng x minus 3 as x approaches 3 from the right. So, try nyo i-substitute yung 3. Ngayon, so square root ng 3 plus 3 over square root ng 3 minus 3, bale square root ng 6 over, yan, 0 na siya. So, pwede nang mag-infinite limits yan. Pero anong sign? So, check nyo, approaching 3 from the right. Ibig sabihin, pwedeng mag-assign ng value ng 3 na 3.1. 3.1 minus 3.1 positive. Tapos since kahit square root mo yun, approaching 0 through positive values pa rin. So, 0 positive ito. So, therefore, positive divided by positive it should be positive infinity.
Try to evaluate the following limits and just comment your answers.